Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic related with sentence reordering, and I am sure that all of you succeed to sort out all the problems correctly. Just after finishing that topic, today we will have to start a new topic like gap filling. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously watch my today's video and follow me. Gap filling or fill in the blanks. Gap filling or fill in the blanks is also a topic related with English grammar section. While solving any problems of gap filling, we should keep the correct use of determiners, anomalous, prepositions, modals, clauses, tenses or verb forms etc. Now my dear student, I try my best to select a problem along with its exact solutions. So all of you focus yourself on that very problems. Choose the most appropriate options from the ones given below to complete the passage. Write your answers in your answer sheet against the correct blank numbers. Now the first problem along with its solution like the modern student A dash the importance B dash physical exercise. He spends 1 to 2 hours in open air. C dash. He takes part in different sports. However, care should D dash not to overstrain E dash body. Now I shall try my best to provide you few options for your support or help. Now the options like options related with A are here. First, understood. Second, understand. Third, have understand. And last one like 4, understands. Now options for B blanks. First like of, second like by, third like from, and last as fourth like with. Now the options related with C blank. First for you like how, second which, third where, and last one like for why. Now the options related with D dash. First one like be taken, second took, third takes, and last one like for as has taken. Now the options related with E black. First one like A, second like an, third like the, and last one like fourth as some. Now my dear student, just after reading the passage, we have to think about the exact options related with this passage. So, just after reading the passage one or two times, I am sure that these will be the exact answer for first problem or first exercise. Now regarding the answer, here the modern student, the importance. Here understands should be select for filling the blanks. Now B dash here physical exercise. It means now we have to focus the first line to its full stop. And now the missing of word here, the word we have to select for solution like of. And now it's the sentence like the modern student understands the importance of physical exercise. Just after then, he spends 1 to 2 hours in open air. She does. He takes part in different sports. Now we have to think what will be the exact option for that very blank, and I have come to know that here where is missing. Now the sentence like he spends 1 to 2 hours in open air where he takes part in different sports. Just after then, however, care should D dash like not to overstain. It means as for its exact solution, we should have to select the word here like be taken. Just after then, it will be the complete sentence like however, care should be taken not to overstain the body. It means regarding the passage here, the first word related with option number 4 like understands. Second, the most appropriate option like B like of. For C blanks, third option where. Similarly for D blank, first option it means be taken, as well as its last option related with option number 3, the. Now my dear students, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out this problem correctly and easily. So I try my best to select few problems for you, like problem number 1. Every employee needs to consider himself or herself as part of a team for a business to function smoothly. If one adds to become a team player, one needs to give credit B dash their team and make that the highest priority. Learn to C dash credit instead of taking D dash team spirit E dash highly important. Now I have to select few options for you, like A, first one had when wanted, second want, third wanted, and fourth wants. Now options for B dash, first for, second on, third off, fourth to. Now the options related with B blank, first giving, second to give, third gives, and fourth gave. Now the options for D blank here, first this, second it, third that, fourth these. Now I have the options of E or last blank here, first was, second will be, third is, fourth can. Now my dear students, now I have to select second problem for you also. So first of all, focus these all the passage, like in affluent middle class households, children and adults spend a dash time in front of the television, computer, or with video games B dash on physically active tasks. So the battle of the blog now C dash at a D dash younger age. Physical exercise is E dash valuable. Now the problems. Now I would have to select few options for you, like options related with A blank, first most, second more, third some, fourth all. Now the options related with B blank, first there, second then, third then, fourth there. Now options related with C blank, first begins, second begun, third begin, fourth beginning. Now the options related with D blank, first one like much, second more, third many, fourth few. Now the options related with E or last blank, first like too much, Second, nicely. Third, very much. And fourth, less. Now, my dear student, try your best to sort out these two problems. Next topic related with grammar section also we have to start next day. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.